What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to our nursery. So Takai comes home tomorrow. We're super excited and we just want to give you a tour of our beautiful nursery. We did a great job with the help of family and friends. So we just want to share everything with you. It's a jungle theme or animal theme. When you come in, we have garbage cans, fun to be, but right now it's just, we just have some little items in there. So this is where Branden and I will be sitting and nursing. Well, I'm gonna nurse T'Challa and he'll be giving bottle feeds, but it's pretty comfortable. Now this is, listen, if I say T'Challa, please excuse me, that was not planned for me to name him Takai to match T'Challa, our puppy. If I say T'Challa, I really mean Takai. T'Challa is not even allowed in this nursery. It's a comfortable couch with a comfortable throw blanket that we can use and this cute little gorilla. We were thinking about getting a rocking chair, but pretty much this is comfortable, so we'll see. But if you guys think a wheelchair, a rocking chair is an absolute must, let us know what you think in the comments. So over here is our beautiful wall with Takai's name on it. Of course, the crib and the bedding. This is the Lambs and Ivy bedding set, comforter, and the sheets. And the bed skirt down there is Lambs and Ivy. And Lambs and Ivy, they do make them mobile, but this one is the peanut shell bedding and decor. And the wall decal is also Lambs and Ivy. It came as a set, and we purchased all of this from Amazon. If you need any of this stuff, please link it in the bottom. We'll put all the affiliate stuff in the bottom.
It'll be linked in the bottom.
It'll be linked in the bottom. You know, this technical stuff, I don't know. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you. So over here, our changing table and our dresser. Again, just continuing with the animal theme. We have our little leopard here. In college, I was a leopard maniac. My mom was a leopard maniac, and my brother is a leopard maniac. I'm no longer a leopard maniac, but I had to at least have one thing in here that represented, you know. And our border up top on these two walls is the alphabet. We thought that would be a nice addition. And over in this corner, it's really just going to be just a station to put different things. Not really sure of what we'll exactly put here yet, but right now we just have teddy bears and a clock and his toiletries on the bottom. And this is our baby bag. It's Ruolino. It would be our main baby bag, and we just liked it. Nothing special. So everything in our nursery is super affordable and simple and just sweet. We were trying to go with simple and sweet. And this is our closet, again, simple and sweet. We added another rack and a couple racks on the bottom, and as you see, there's lots of stuff in there just not organized yet, that we'll need for Takai at a later date. But this is our closet, and we can't wait to, most of these clothes he can't even wear yet, but this is what we have so far. I was really apprehensive about buying a whole bunch of things until, you know, we deliver it. And of course we deliver early. So the last couple weeks when I could have shopped like a maniac, I didn't. Thank you guys again for all your prayers and for your support. If you have any comments, concerns, snide remarks, or any advice about the nursery or about us bringing a newborn home as first-time parents, please put that in the comments. And you have a great evening. And I think it's time for you guys to go so we can get some rest and prepare for Takai to come home. So it's been good peace, love, and hair grease. But you gotta go to your own crib. Get out my baby's crib. Peace.
I think she forgot we have like one more thing to do. Man.
What? I done cut the lights off.
We got some boxes to open downstairs though.
Okay. I'm all about the boxes.
All right, let's go downstairs.